DGP's belligerent statement on protests. Cases filed against protesters in anti-double tracking. Coal agitation raises hackles among Sashtikas, forcing MLAs to react. All Goa Cashew Feni and Brewery Organisation objects to plan to change cashew plantation auction system. Says will kill local brewers.
I'm Anjali, and now the news in detail. Predictably, the Director General of Goa Police, Mukesh Kumar Meena's statement on Saturday and the cases filed against protesters in the agitation against double tracking and coal has raised hackles among Sashtikas. Here are the details.
The DGP in a press interaction had said that the three projects under the scanner were central projects and he would ensure that they went through without any trouble. He had also alluded that there would be action against those who disrupted the double tracking work.
आम्ही ताका विचारले आयज ते की लोकांक गोंयची लोकां मारपा हाडल्या काय म्हूण आनी तशेंच सीएमाक सांगचें म्हूण तेणें कित्याक आयज डीजीपी डायरेक्टर जनरल ऑफ पुलीस तेणें आयज एक स्टेटमेंट दिला पेपराचेर येयला की लोक कित्याक हे लोकांक गोंयच्या लोकांक कित्याक प्रोजेक्ट नाका काय म्हूण आनी आमी हे प्रोजेक्ट करपाक गोंयचो पुलीस हेल्प करतलो म्हूण जाल्यार आमी आमच्या एमएलएक सांगलां बाबा हो डायरेक्टर जनरल ऑफ पुलीस कितें पॉलिटिशियन ते पॉलिटिकल स्टेटमेंट करपाक तेच्यान अशें स्टेटमेंट करपाक जायना आमच्या एमएलएन सीएमाक सांगपाक जाय की बाबा अशें हेणी पुलिसीन बी अशें स्टेटमेंट करप न्ही म्हूण हो आयज पेपराचेर जो डीजीपीचो स्टेटमेंट येयला तो एक हे इनडायरेक्ट गोंयकारांक थ्रेट की बाबा तुमी कितेंय करा आमी हे प्रोजेक्ट कंप्लीट करतले म्हूण.
Villagers from Nuvem constituency met the local MLA Wilfred Babashan Disa and submitted a memorandum. The MLA stuck to his gun that CM will not allow coal to come to Goa.
Industrial estate on the eco-sensitive plateau as it is already overburdened by industrial exploitation of groundwater. The proposed plant will pollute the underground water, thereby affecting our pristine rivers, Sal and Zuari. We are pained and feel betrayed that even after several verbal assurances by our Chief Minister and the other government representatives, there is rampant work going on of double tracking by SWR. The work has to be stopped immediately and the additional CRPF forces called off to save the taxpayers from bearing additional cost that will go in vain, as this is not in the interest of the people of Goa. Worldwide, nations are changing directions and phasing out coal usage due to its high pollution indicators. Therefore, we urge our CM to plan a sustainable mode of development. We will support wholeheartedly. We, the villagers of the Nuek constituency and the state of Goa, are not against development. We would be proud to see our nation on the list of developed nations, and hence we urge PM Modi and our CM Sawant to scrap these preposterous projects that will cause irreparable destruction to the ecosystem, wildlife habitat, health and livelihoods. As MLA and representative of the people of your constituency, we appeal to you to raise your voice along with us and the people of Goa and give us a written assurance that you stand with us to safeguard our tiny and beautiful God-given land which we are blessed with for future posterity.
Return दिवपाक कांय प्रॉब्लेम ना कित्याक आमी हांवूय गोंयकारूय मुगेली बायल भुरगीं आहाय आमकांय मुखार रावूं जाय हो लोक एजिटेशन करता तांकां लागून कोना सगल्यांक लागून कोताय आमगे एक एकल्यागे रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी तेजे बारा रावपाची आनी म्हाका रिटर्न एश्युरन्स दिवपाक कांय ना आतां फकत आमकां सीएमान सांगिल्लें की 15 मिनिस्टर येतलो सेंट्रल मिनिस्टर येतलो ते दुसरे मिटींग जातली आनी ते दोन आपण कोल बंद करता म्हणून आनी तेतून तो आपल्या गेलो स्टेटमेंट दितलो आयज देखून सीएमान स्टेटमेंट दिलें ना कोण कोण एमएलए दिताय मिनिस्टर दिताय पूण ते दुसरो स्टेटमेंट दितलो आनी कोल बंद करता म्हणून तेणें म्हाका 100% गॅरंटी दिलो आहा.
Congress MLA and former Chief Minister Luizino Falero too criticized the government for deploying outside forces and demanded an assembly session to discuss the issue.
आयज भायले पुलीस रेल्वे जे येवन आमच्या भुरग्यांक धमकी दितात तर हें सारकें न्हू. गोंयांत लॉ एंड ऑर्डर आहा जाल्यार गोंयच्या पुलिसान येवपाचें. भायले पुलीस घेवन हिंगा लॉ एंड ऑर्डर सेटल करूंक जायना. तर ताबडतोब भायले पुलीस आहाय तांकां गोंयच्यांतल्यान भायर काडपाक. We don't want outside police to come in the state of Goa. So I had always opposed it. I am still opposing it. But कांय लोक politics करपाक सोदता. They should understand and respect the man who had a vision to oppose it 3 years back, who is opposing today and will continue to oppose it. हांवें आयज गोंयच्या राज्यपालाक, गव्हर्नराक मुद्दम एक पेटिशन केलां. आनी ह्या पेटिशनाचेर 3 मागणी केली. कित्याक गव्हर्नर इज द कस्टोडियन ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. गोंया विधानसभा जाल्लीच ना. इट वॉज ओनली 1 day सेशन. आनीक राज्यपाल जो गव्हर्नर आहा हाजी कर्तव्य ह्या स्टेटीची डेमोक्रेसी सांबाळपाक. आयज जेन्ना आख्खे गोंयभर ऊज पेटलो आहा, एजिटेशन चलतात, जावं कोळसो नाका, जावं आमगेले जे फॉरेस्ट आनी आमगे झाडां आहाय तेजेर इकॉलॉजी एनवायरमेंट जो आहा प्रोटेक्ट करपाचें, आनी एक डबल ट्रॅकिंग ऑफ द रेल्वे लायन्स. जेन्ना लोक उचापट जाल्लो आहा, लोक रस्त्यार येयल्लो आहा, तर हांवें गव्हर्नराक सांगलां की असले इश्यू आहाय ते इश्यू जरी तरी सरकार सुटावे करना जाल्यार ताबडतोब गोंयच्या विधानसभाची असेंब्ली घडोवन हाडची आनी असेंब्ली सामन करपाक आमच्या घटने प्रमाणे गव्हर्नराक पावर आहा.
Ramesh Naik, Raj for Goa 365 from Salsit.
All Goa Cashew Feni and Brewery Organization has objected to the plan to change cashew plantation auction system. The organization said it was brought to their notice that the Excise Department has decided to stop auction of plantations. If this happens, then this 200-year-old business and the base of the people dependent on this business will be destroyed, they said. Here are the details.
The cashew plantation auction will be shut from next year. The government wants to take this business into their own hands, the organization said at a meeting at Bordai and Bicholi. They have decided to meet the excise department on the issue. Listen in.
ऑक्शन करता तेन्ना आमी रेट ठरयता की आमकां कितलो परवडूंक शकता ते अशें अकॉर्डिंगली आमी तितून रेट सांगता की ऑक्शनाक आमी इतली घालता कितें घालता. फाल्यां जर गव्हर्नमेंटान ठरयली की इतलेच जावपाक जाय जाल्यार दे वील डिसायड आनी आमकां मागीर तातूंत फॉलो करचें पडटलें. आनी नॉर्मली कितें जाता जे रेट ठरयल्या उपरांत नॉर्मली कमी येना ती वाडत फुडेंच वता. ऑक्शनाक आमी ठरयताले आमकां 200 रुपयान परवडटा, 2000 परवडटा, 5000 परवडटा, तेच्या अनुसार आमकां आमी जर व्हडले आयले आनी ओपन जाल्यार आनी ऑक्शन ना कांय ना सो डायरेक्ट हांव कोण तरी व्हडली फॅक्टरी घातले सगळे करपाक लागलो जाल्यार एक तर सगळ्यांक वतले आमकां हांगा लोकल आमी इतले जो इन्वेस्ट केले इतलीं वर्सां जे सांबाळून दवरलेले आहा ते आमी कांय मेळचें ना आमकां, आमी करूं शकना एक वेळ. दुसरी गोश्ट फाल्यां जे ते आसा तांकां म्हणटलें कितें मागीर लायसन्स म्हटल्यार परमिशन आयली, पंचायतीची एनओसी हाड, पोल्युशनाची एनओसी हाड, हेल्थाची एनओसी हाड, FDAची हाड, लँडचे डॉक्युमेंट, जाग्याचे डॉक्युमेंट लागतले न्ही तुमी घालता म्हणटकूच. हे जर फाल्यां जर आमकां विचारपाक लागले खूब जाणां कडेन आसता, कोणा कडेन मुणकाराचे नासतले, मुणकाराचे भाटकाराचे आसतले, कोणाचे आसतले पंचायतीचे. फाल्यां आमी सगळ्यांचो गोडो तयार जाता, फाल्यां कोणी तरी ऑब्जेक्शन हाडलें की हाका दिवपाचें ना म्हणून गोड्याचें जाता म्हणून जाल्यार फाल्यां कोणी तरी ऑब्जेक्शन हाडलें की दिवपाचें ना म्हणून जाल्यार आमचे ते इतली वर्सां आमी जो सेटअप केल्लो आहा तो वेळ ताका हे जातले. आनी फाल्यां जर तुमी सांगलें की गोडो असो उडोवपूच ना ताका तुमी ते एक ट्रिटमेंट प्लांट घालपाक जाय जो व्हडलो कंपनी करूं शकता पण आमी आमचे हेका ते प्रोसेस करपाक आनी हे करपाक करूं शकना.
इफ यू गो टू तमिळनाडू तांचे कंट्री लिकर पेड जाले. इफ यू गो टू कर्नाटका दे फिनिश्ड. महाराष्ट्र काबार. गोवा इज द ओनली प्लेस इन इंडिया वे आमचे लोकल कंट्री लिकर अजून हॅज अ स्ट्रक्चर. हे स्ट्रक्चर जरी तांकां पोटेन्शियल दिसता. We have kept the structure, we have kept the taste of Feni, we've kept the culture of Feni alive. Ye kite kurdale, they will take it and they'll destroy it. It'll go from our hands to someone else. I mean, all these years we've built this industry and they will take it away. This is the last tradition that we have in Goa that is still with Goans. This is the last profession. It has been in existence from the year 1735. If any change in the system is done, there will be a cultural disarray. There will be economic insecurity. We cannot have the last cultural essence of Goa be diluted. We have lost a lot of Goa. This is the last thing which is there in the hinterland as well as the coast. If you are not worried about it, please remember, the next time you want to drink an urak,
or you want to take your son to buy Nero, you will have to go to a big factory. Till today, it is with us, in our villages, in our hometowns, with our uncles and aunties. We want to keep it that way.
Mahesh Goyakar for Goa 365 from Bicholi.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. Ironically, MGP and BJP are talking the same language. Although both MGP and BJP are involved in a war of words and there is bad blood between the MGP Supremo Davekar and his former MGP colleague PWD Minister Deepak Pavaskar, on Sunday mixed signals were witnessed at an inaugural function at Kunde. Here are the details.
On Sunday, PWD Minister Deepak Pavaskar and his predecessor Sudhin Davekar came together. Deepak said he feels bad that they got separated, but added that they are still together. Davekar said Deepak is carrying his legacy forward. Two MGP MLAs, Deepak Pavaskar and Babu Asgaonkar, had defected and joined BJP in a midnight coup. Sudhin PWD portfolio was unceremoniously taken from him and given to Deepak.
आमचे सुदीन भाई त्यांचे सदांच म्हाका कॉल आसता म्हयन्यांतल्यान 2 फावटी गांवच्या डेव्हलपमेंट आपूण जो केला आपूण जे मास्टर प्लॅन केला तो खंय खंय पावला आनी राजकारण आमी वेगळे आसता पूण आमी दोगांय आजुनूय आमी एक आसा म्हाका वायट दिसता पूण आमी खंय तरी वेगळे पूण राजकारण वेगळे आनी समाजाचें कार्य करपाक हें राजकारण एक आमचें एक साधन समाजाचें हें कार्य करपा खातीर तशेंच खरेंच ग्रेट आनी आयज हांव पावनालो पूण म्हाका ताणी फोन करून मुद्दम वापयलो तूं जाय तूं यो तुजो हक्क तो तूं PWD मिनिस्टर तुवें येवपा जाय खरेंच बरें दिसलें आनी अशें करीत जाल्यार आमच्या 40 मतदारसंघात मतभेद हे उरचे ना.
एक स्वप्न आशिल्लें मनोहर पर्रीकर आनी म्हजें आनी तातूंतल्यान 24 तास सुद्दां आमी गोंयभर दिवपाचें थारायलें आनी त्या खातीरूच आजचोय मुख्यमंत्री आनी PWD मिनिस्टर पावसकरूय तेंच काम घेवन मुखार वता त्या बद्दल तांचें हांव अभिनंदन करता. आनी वॉटर सप्लायाचे जवळ जवळ 200-250 कोटी रुपये देणें आसा. इतलेंच न्हय सिवरेज जी कामां आसा तातूंतय 200 आसा आनी म्हजो रिक्वेस्ट की हे पयशे तांणी बेगिनात बेगीन तांकां दिवचे कारण जो पर्यंत हे पयशे तांकां मेळना पार्ट पेमेंट सुद्दां जाल्यार लोक कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर जे आसा कामां बरी करतले आनी मुखार सरतले. तरी आसतना तांणी जे एफर्ट्स दाखयले त्या बद्दल तांचें हांव अभिनंदन करता.
Deepak, for the 9th time, promised 100% tap water connectivity in Goan households. He also reiterated his old promise to give 24/7 clean water supply and to complete sewage pipeline works by 2021. He said that they will soon get award from Center for this.
म्हाका दिसता ह्या फुडल्या 2 वर्सांक हे काम जातलें म्हणून आमकां पुरस्कार आतां मेळपाचो आसा. आमी आमच्या देशांत आमचें पयलें राज्य आसा आमी 100% लोकांक टॅप दिल्लो आसा. आतां तेतून 24/7 उदक सप्लाय जावपा जाय आनी निवळ उदक सप्लाय जावपा जाय. हे खातीर आमकां जल जीवन मिशन आमचे नरेंद्रजी मोदी आदरणीय तांचें काम पळयलां आमी. देशा खातीर जें कितें करपा जाय आयज सडक म्हणजे आयज जे नॅशनल हायवेची कामां चलता आमच्या देशांत विविध राज्यांनी आयज उदकाची जी सिस्टम आसा ती घट जावपा जाय निवळ उदक मेळपा जाय. जल जीवन मिशन तेणी हाडलां.
Krishna Naik for Goa 365 from Kunai.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. Now for the weather. A cyclonic storm Gati has formed in the southwest Arabian Sea. However, it won't impact Goa. The weather will remain dry. However, Met Department has advised fishermen not to venture into the sea.
There is warning for South Maharashtra and Goa beyond 75 kilometers of the coast. Squally wind speed reaching 45 to 55 kilometers per hour, gusting to 65 kilometers per hour, likely to prevail over southwest and adjoining west central Arabian Sea, and the condition will be rough to very rough on 2nd and 23rd November. Fishermen are advised not to venture into the sea during this period. Meanwhile, dry weather will prevail in Goa till 26 November. The sky will be partly cloudy. Minimum temperature will be 22 degrees Celsius and maximum will be 34 degrees Celsius. Highlights: Cyclonic storm Gati has been formed in southwest Arabian Sea. won't impact Goa. The weather will remain dry. Fishermen not to venture into the sea. Sky will be partly cloudy. Minimum temperature 22 degrees Celsius. Maximum temperature 34 degrees Celsius. Bureau Report, Goa 365.
With that, we have come to the end of this news bulletin. For more news and updates, log into our website www.gaw365.tv. Follow us on Instagram, Telegram, Facebook, GAW365TV, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, GAW365TV, or download our app on both Android and iPhones. Stay safe, take care, and keep watching GAW365.